What's going on YouTube? All right, let's go into a deep dive of my vehicle bag for the truck behind me here. It's not a bug out bag. It's not a whatever bag. It's just like a, I forget crap all the time and it's protect myself against myself kind of bag, but it's got some good stuff in there. Well, I'm in the bag every week, multiple times a week most of the time. Sometimes almost every day it feels like, because I'll forget something, I need something. You'll see. So it's the bag, just basically protect myself from myself. Let's rock into it. So first off, you guys can see it basically sits in my back seat as right there. So say hello to my shadow, but this is basically where it sits all times, maybe sometimes up here, but it's where it sits most of the time. Just out of the way, just waiting for me to forget something and save myself. So let's pull it out. We'll go through it all. I love the bag, but we'll get into that. All right, guys, here it is. This is Dewalt's 22-inch duffel bag, the Toughsystem 2.0. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is actually built pretty tough. Like it might even actually live up to the Toughsystem name. I've had plenty of their Toughsystem stuff in the past, and it is great. Now, this bag is perfect size for what I need it to, which is just basically holding my crap in here. We're gonna go through everything here, but I wanna go over the bag on the outside real quick first. Main thing, on the handle up top here, you guys can see, it actually fits in like just snug, just like that. And you guys can carry it just like I do like this, and it comes out real easy, no Velcro. I really like that design. That's actually a really nice design. You've got obviously some strapping up here as well. I use it in the wintertime. I absolutely put like, warm clothes up here because it's easy to get to, extra layer because, it's Michigan in my area. So when the weather says, oh, it's going to be 25 degrees, well, it really means it's 25 below zero instead of 25 degrees. So gonna need some extra stuff here, but this is the summer. Obviously you guys can see I've got some sunscreen in here and some bug spray over there. So we're gonna get into it, but I do like the fact that, I mean, a lot of things are double, triple stitched here as well. Like denier, like the handles here, like everything is actually pretty well made for what it is. And this bag is, it's expensive. I think I paid $120 for this thing back when I got it last year. And that's a chunk of change for sure. But I do like the fact, I mean, the zippers are very durable, no problems whatsoever. You guys can see. I know, all those gear aficionados out there will have, like they'll know the name of these zippers and everything like that. That's not me. I just want it to last, and it does. It absolutely, it does everything I want it to. We're gonna go over to the outside real quick. Basically, just some tape. I do have a Gerber. I forget the name of this one. This is, I like the fact that it can just come straight out just like that and you clip it. Everybody should have a multi-tool. These things are fantastic. And I use this mostly because of the screwdriver, and that's saved my butt a couple times right there. But yeah, super easy to deploy, slides back in, and we're good to go there. So I'll put that back there. Electrical tape. And most of this stuff you guys see in here is protect myself from myself, or when I forget something for the daughter. I got some hair ties down here. We got some tape, not for the daughter. That's just for whatever I need. Sunscreen. We do have a magazine down there for the Pew Pew. Knife. We have some clear eye pro here just for, if I'm grinding stuff here. That came with the, it came kind of, this is Rock Bros, whatever that is. But yeah, wife got that for me. It goes here. Pencils, markers. I do have pens, but I need to restock this bag a little bit. Diagonal cutters. This goes right here. These are the Klein ones. I absolutely use diagonal cutters almost every day. Fantastic. Now it does come with a, I believe it does come with a over-the-shoulder strap, which I don't use. So this is with a D-ring for that. And on the back side here, you guys can see, we just have a single flap here. It's actually indented right now. It's got, feels like a little bit of faux leather. And you have some straps on either side, some D-rings on this side, and also on this side behind my charging, my little charging, what do you want to call it, battery bank. Inside here, one strap, I just do keep some ponchos, some, warm hands. I probably don't need those right now since it's 90 degrees outside or 80 degrees outside, but those are there. And then I'll do have a tweezer set. This is Knipex tweezer set. Man, I absolutely love me some tweezers, especially hitting slivers. I need to pick out myself, something that just bothers me. It's one of my pet peeves. So this tweezer set stays in here and I absolutely use it all the time. Same thing goes for nail clippers. Those are actually in the center console of my truck because I use those so much. Like I just said, we have a battery, just like, I can use this. I use this a lot. The reason why I use this a lot is because I don't want to start my truck to charge something that I need to work with, or, I want to make sure I don't run out of juice. So literally plug it into here. You got USB-C, USB, and you got and it's obviously a solar charger too. So very nice. I forget, I think it's like 40,000 milliamp hours. Plenty of battery capacity. Charge up a couple phones. On this side, we have a Klein 5-in-1 hairbrush for the daughter because, man, she's 5 and her hair just goes everywhere. We do have a chem light for obvious reasons. We do have hands-free lighting, and then obviously hands lighting, a flashlight. These are obviously rechargeable. I do use these a lot, especially when I go into attics and everything. Extra tape measure, bug spray. On the front end over here, we have a Gerber. This is a Gerber Bear Grylls knife. Love this. I know this thing gets a lot of hate on the internet, but man, like honestly, for what it is, I mean, it's cheap, easy. I think it's full tang. I use this a lot more than you think I would, and it just goes right there, stays right there, and I don't have to worry about it at all. Honestly, you guys, I mean, yeah, there's better knives out there for sure, but it does what it needs to do. That's all I got to say about that. Front right here, obviously it's just regular nylon, and you unzip it from the opposite side here. Let's get this going. You can see the zippers, very nice, and then you do have this little rubber overmold right here for the actual zipper. I enjoy that. That's actually really nice. Flips down, and then we have the mesh area in the front here. I keep just charging cords, and I wear contacts, so extra contacts in there, and I think that's basically it there on that one. We got extra sunglasses. I keep 3 pairs of sunglasses. One I'm actually wearing, 2 ones in the truck, and then this one's in here just in case. So I have 3 pairs just in case because I lose them. I'm not gonna lie. These are cheap ones, but these are like, I'll lose them, and it is what it is. I do have an extra phone in here. This is actually just a spare phone. I do charge it probably once a month just to make sure it's topped off, but of course I have my battery bank here if I need to. This has got the entire Wikipedia on it for whatever reasons. If we lose cell service, I need to know something, it's there for it. And this is actually very nice. As you can see, actually labeled. You got some extra straps down here. And this is all soft. This is all soft material, so you can. I mean, I feel fine not having a phone without a case in there, no problem whatsoever. Very nice. I actually like this. And it actually stretches out a little bit, so it can hold some volume for sure. Inside here we have a paper map for the local area, and then a compass just because I have it, and it might as well be in this bag. That's basically what that's why I have it there. So going to the side compartment over here on the inside. You guys can see we got snacks for the daughter, just in case, because man, looks like we have some candy in here too. I'll probably take those out. But Ear Pro, which we'll get into that in a little bit. Tums, again, some extra nail clippers. Floss, Glide floss is the only thing I use for flossing the teeth because it's what works for me. Extra deodorant, some Q-tips, some extra eye solution, and we got some soap in there. And you guys can see, very high vis. Like, I like the fact that it's yellow. I mean, it's not my favorite color, but the fact that it's yellow, I can differentiate from what's in here, what needs to be in here, what's missing. I really like that. And these little molly webbings are single. Looks like they're single stitched, but they're not they're elastic, so they actually stretch out pretty good. I enjoy that. It's nice. And then we're going to go to the opposite side here. I think I skipped over this one, but again, same thing with the zippers. Going across here, and this side over here, we just have a cold. You basically get this wet and you snap it, and it gives you a little bit of heat relief. Use that for the daughter, but it actually works pretty good. I'm impressed. And here, not much fire starting stuff. Extra battery, a small miniature Milwaukee battery bank, some shoestring in case I snap a lace or whatever, and then some extra socks in here for the daughter. Fire starting stuff, and some Velcro. And it's basically all I have on this side over here. And again, some waterproof matches over here. Into the top over on the top end over here. Let's get into it. So again, same exact zippers, which I enjoy. It's already open, but up top right here, we keep small bills for cash, around $100, give or take, with some coins, because it saves me so much time. I can't stress this enough, you guys. Having cash is a must for me, because I'll forget my wallet, or I'll go someplace that doesn't accept card, parking lots, whatever it is. I have cash, and it saves me. It has saved me days. It's saved my weekends before, just having a little bit of cash, not having to fight with the wife about something that I forgot. And here you go. Basically, just keep a little bit of cash with you guys. Inside here, nothing crazy. Ear Pro for if I want to go pew-pewing, or also the daughter, she doesn't like loud noises, so I'll give her, I think I have her pink ones in here somewhere, but yep. And when I'm dumping the dump trailer, sometimes they require a high-vis vest. Keep the sun off my head if I need to. Use that. Actually, I was fishing in the Kenai in Alaska with this thing. That's the last time I used it, but there it is. Extra trash bags. Real important with cash is toilet paper. Porta-johns sometimes run out, or whatever nature calls, and you need toilet paper. I absolutely will never go anywhere without this stuff because, you know, things happen. You know, change of clothes for myself, just some basic stuff, you know, underwear, maybe one shirt here, and a full change of clothes for my daughter because, you know, she's 5 and, you know, clothes are a multiple day occurrence as far as changing stuff because, you know, things happen. And then down here, extra socks, of course. We got some, you know, some medicine down here. I got it labeled down here. Some some of the stuff I got to upgrade, but we got some NyQuil if I want that, allergy relief, ibuprofen. It's all in there. And real important, I got a diaper. My daughter's almost out of diapers, but sometimes if she sleeps or when she at night or something like that, we have an extra one in here just in case. And we do have a belt. I'm fat, so if my belt snaps, my pants are going down to my ankles. I got an extra one here just in case. And of course, you know, got to be prepared. But other than that, zip ties, of course, for every reason you're going to need a zip tie. Extra trash bags. I think I already said that. I think that's about it, guys. That's all I got in this thing. Oh, there they are. Here's the daughter's ear pro right here. You know, if we're going out to a hockey game or anything like that, anything where it's going to be kind of loud, you just want her to be comfortable. Oh, and I got a pair of broken in running shoes, so extra pair of shoes in here in case something happens to the ones I'm currently wearing. Broken in is important. That way I can, you know, not have blisters or anything like that if I'm wearing something. But that is basically this entire, I guess, you know, truck bag, you know, vehicle bag, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely love the Dewalt Toughsystem 2.0 bag. It obviously connects to their Toughsystem 2.0 too. I mean, it's made for tools, so it's going to last me a long time, probably my entire life, because I'm not using it for tools. I'm just using it to haul stuff that I need on a daily, weekly, monthly occurrence. Basically all I got for you guys. Like and subscribe. We will see you on the next one. I appreciate it.